Welcome to one of the most exquisite modern contemporary mansions in Miami, Florida. Nestled in one of the city's most prestigious neighborhoods, this multi-million-dollar masterpiece embodies luxury, sophistication, and cutting-edge design. From the moment you arrive, the first impression is nothing short of breathtaking. The grand entrance, framed by sleek glass panels and natural stone, immediately sets the tone for the remarkable experience that awaits inside. The exterior itself is a work of art, combining clean modern lines with lush landscaping, creating a perfect balance between architectural elegance and natural beauty. As you step through the oversized pivoting front door, you are welcomed by an expansive foyer that immediately communicates a sense of space and openness. The high ceilings, adorned with subtle recessed lighting, accentuate the mansion's architectural brilliance. The flooring is polished Italian marble that flows seamlessly throughout the main level, reflecting light and adding a sense of warmth to the contemporary aesthetic. Every corner of this home has been meticulously designed, with no detail overlooked. To the left, you'll find the formal living room, a space that effortlessly combines comfort with sophistication. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer panoramic views of the surrounding Miami skyline and sparkling waters, flooding the room with natural light. The furniture is a blend of modern elegance and plush comfort, featuring bespoke sofas, accent chairs, and statement lighting fixtures that create a warm yet refined atmosphere. Minimalist artwork punctuates the walls, each piece chosen to complement the home's color palette, which consists of soft neutrals, deep charcoals, and natural wood tones. Moving further, the open-concept dining area seamlessly connects to the living space, perfect for entertaining guests or hosting lavish dinners. The centerpiece is a custom-made dining table crafted from rich hardwood, surrounded by upholstered chairs with sleek metal frames. Above, an artistic chandelier provides ambient lighting while adding a touch of glamour. Adjacent to the dining area, a glass wall opens to the outdoor patio, creating an effortless indoor-outdoor flow that is quintessential to Miami living. The kitchen is a chef's dream and a true highlight of this mansion. Designed with both functionality and aesthetic appeal in mind, it features state-of-the-art appliances from top brands, including a professional-grade range, dual ovens, and a large built-in refrigerator seamlessly integrated into custom cabinetry. The countertops are polished quartz, offering a striking contrast against the minimalist cabinetry, while a central island provides additional workspace and doubles as a breakfast bar. Sleek pendant lighting and under-cabinet LED strips illuminate the space, emphasizing the meticulous attention to detail. Every element of the kitchen has been curated to ensure that cooking and entertaining are both effortless and enjoyable. Adjacent to the kitchen, the family room offers a more relaxed atmosphere for everyday living. Plush sectional sofas, modern lounge chairs, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system make this space ideal for movie nights or casual gatherings. A wall-mounted fireplace adds warmth and a cozy ambience, while sliding glass doors open onto the backyard, where a pristine infinity pool and outdoor lounge area await. The backyard is an oasis of serenity, featuring tropical landscaping, a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, and multiple seating areas perfect for enjoying Miami's sunny weather. The mansion boasts a series of luxurious bedrooms, each offering privacy and comfort with its own unique design. The master suite is a true retreat, featuring a private balcony with unobstructed views of the city and ocean, a sitting area with a fireplace, and a spacious walk-in closet designed to accommodate an extensive wardrobe. The ensuite bathroom is nothing short of spectacular, featuring dual vanities, a freestanding soaking tub, a rainfall shower, and high-end fixtures throughout. Every detail has been thoughtfully considered to create a sanctuary that blends opulence with relaxation. Additional bedrooms are equally impressive, each with ensuite bathrooms, custom closets, and large windows that frame stunning views. The guest suites are designed with both comfort and style in mind, making them perfect for family, friends, or long-term visitors. Neutral tones, luxurious fabrics, and designer furniture create a harmonious and inviting environment, while modern lighting fixtures add a touch of sophistication to each space. For those who work from home or require a dedicated workspace, the mansion offers a fully equipped home office. The office features built-in shelving, a custom desk, and large windows that flood the room with natural light, creating an ideal environment for productivity and focus. The attention to detail extends to the smallest elements, from the selection of materials to the placement of lighting, ensuring that the space is as functional as it is beautiful. Entertainment is at the heart of this property, with a fully equipped home theater offering the ultimate cinematic experience. Plush seating, advanced surround sound, and state-of-the-art projection technology create an immersive atmosphere that rivals any commercial theater. Adjacent to the theater, a game room provides additional entertainment options, featuring a pool table, arcade games, and a bar area perfect for hosting friends and family. Wellness and fitness are also key components of this mansion. A private gym offers a full range of exercise equipment, from cardio machines to weight training stations, while large mirrors and high ceilings enhance the sense of space. A spa-like bathroom and sauna complement the fitness area, allowing residents to unwind and rejuvenate in total privacy. The integration of indoor and outdoor spaces ensures that wellness and relaxation are seamlessly part of everyday living. Technology and smart home features are seamlessly integrated throughout the mansion, enhancing convenience, security, and comfort. Automated lighting, climate control, and audiovisual systems can be controlled via smartphone or voice commands, allowing for effortless management of the entire property. Security is a priority, with advanced surveillance cameras, gated access, and motion sensors ensuring peace of mind for residents. The mansion's design also emphasizes sustainability and energy efficiency, incorporating solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, and high-performance insulation. Large windows are strategically placed to maximize natural light while minimizing heat gain, and landscaping is designed to reduce water consumption while enhancing the property's beauty. This combination of luxury and sustainability reflects a modern approach to high-end living. Art and design play a central role throughout the home, with carefully selected pieces adding personality and character to each space. Sculptures, paintings, and curated decor create visual interest and complement the modern architecture. The use of natural materials, such as wood, stone, and metal, provides warmth and texture, while open spaces and clean lines maintain a sense of elegance and simplicity. The mansion also offers exceptional outdoor living spaces. Multiple terraces and balconies provide stunning views of the city, ocean, and surrounding greenery. The infinity pool, surrounded by sun loungers and shaded seating areas, creates a resort-like atmosphere, perfect for relaxation or entertaining. An outdoor kitchen, dining area, and fire pit further enhance the experience, making the backyard a true extension of the living space. Special features of this property include a wine cellar with temperature-controlled storage, a private elevator connecting all floors, and a rooftop terrace that offers breathtaking panoramic views. Each element of the mansion has been designed to maximize comfort, convenience, and luxury, creating a lifestyle that is unparalleled in Miami. The attention to detail extends to every aspect of the property, from the choice of high-quality materials to the meticulous craftsmanship evident throughout. The combination of modern design, functional spaces, and luxurious finishes ensures that this mansion is not only visually stunning, but also perfectly suited for contemporary living. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, the mansion is ideally located in a prestigious Miami neighborhood, providing privacy, security, and proximity to world-class dining, shopping, and entertainment. Residents can enjoy easy access to the city's vibrant culture while retreating to the serenity of their private sanctuary at the end of the day. Every room in this home tells a story of elegance and refinement. The flow between spaces is seamless, with open-plan living areas that encourage connection while maintaining a sense of intimacy. The interplay of natural light, high-quality materials, and thoughtful design creates an atmosphere of calm sophistication that defines modern luxury living. Whether hosting lavish parties, enjoying quiet family moments, or simply relaxing in the comfort of your surroundings, this mansion offers every amenity one could desire. From the grand foyer to the serene bedrooms, from the chef's kitchen to the resort-style backyard, every inch of this property has been crafted to provide the ultimate in comfort, style, and functionality. The masterful integration of indoor and outdoor spaces allows residents to fully embrace Miami's year-round sunshine and coastal lifestyle. Expansive glass walls, retractable doors, and strategically placed terraces bring the outdoors in, while shaded patios and covered areas provide comfort during warmer days. The outdoor spaces are designed for both relaxation and entertainment, creating an inviting environment for family, friends, or quiet contemplation. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the mansion's ambience. Carefully positioned fixtures, including recessed LED lighting, pendant lamps, and accent lights, create dynamic moods and highlight architectural features. At night, the exterior is equally impressive, with landscape lighting illuminating pathways, trees, and water features, turning the property into a luminous spectacle visible from afar. Storage and utility spaces have been thoughtfully designed to ensure that every area is functional without compromising on aesthetics. Custom closets, built-in shelving, and hidden storage solutions provide ample space while maintaining clean lines and uncluttered environments. The integration of these practical elements demonstrates the careful planning and attention to detail that defines this property. The mansion also caters to social and recreational pursuits. From intimate gatherings in cozy lounges to larger celebrations in open entertaining spaces, the home provides flexibility to suit every occasion. The blend of indoor elegance and outdoor vibrancy ensures that residents can enjoy a variety of experiences without ever leaving their home. In conclusion, this luxurious multi-million modern contemporary mansion in Miami, Florida is a true masterpiece of design, craftsmanship, and lifestyle. Every element, from the grand architectural features to the smallest decorative details, has been carefully considered to create a harmonious and breathtaking environment. The combination of expansive indoor living areas, resort-style outdoor spaces, cutting-edge technology, and thoughtful design results in a property that is not only a home, but a statement of modern luxury living. From the moment you arrive until the last view of the skyline from the rooftop terrace, this mansion exemplifies what it means to live in unparalleled style and comfort. It is more than just a residence. It is a sanctuary, a place where beauty, functionality, and sophistication coexist seamlessly. Every space tells a story of elegance and refinement, providing an unmatched experience for those fortunate enough to call it home. Whether you are drawn to its awe-inspiring interior designs, its state-of-the-art amenities, or its stunning outdoor spaces, this Miami mansion offers a lifestyle that is truly extraordinary. It is the embodiment of modern luxury, a place where design meets comfort, and where every day is an opportunity to experience the very best that life has to offer. This property is more than a house. It is a living work of art, a reflection of contemporary elegance, and a celebration of Miami's luxurious lifestyle. It sets the standard for modern living, combining innovative design, top-tier amenities, and meticulous attention to detail. For those who appreciate sophistication, style, and a home that offers every conceivable luxury, this mansion is nothing short of perfection.